Hi, have you visited my personal channel here, the Andrew channel? If not, head on there, click subscribe and the bell button too. Well, this is a channel that's about anything and everything about my life because there's just so much to share and it's not just about lighting and photography and posing and all that stuff. Head on there, the Andrew channel. So I just posted a new video on the Andrew's channel and I thought that I should post it here too so that you can enjoy it here as well. Enjoy this review. Hi, this is a product review of the 4-door 520-litre inverter fridge by Hisense. Let me go through with you the good points and features of this fridge first. The first good point that really got me at hello of this fridge is how beautiful it is. Look at the clean lines and the smooth surfaces of the build. This will ensure that this fridge fits into any modern kitchen beautifully. And this is what I like about a fridge like this. It doesn't look like a fridge. It looks like part of the kitchen. It doesn't stand out like a sore thumb. The next good point, this is a triple zone dual tech cooling system. Let me show you what I mean. This is the first zone, followed by two zones down here, which is zone 2 and zone 3. And hence, because of these dual compartments that you have, that's why it's called the dual tech cooling system. And it is this dual tech system that really makes it feel like you have two fridges in the system. It has different cooling compartments. And here's the cool thing about this fridge. If you leave the doors open like this, you hear this warning alarm. That's how it sounds like when you challenge your wife by leaving the fridge door open. The next good point about this fridge, you probably think that this whole bottom section here is a freezer. It's not. This is the freezer compartment, and this is called My Fresh Choice. The unique feature of the My Fresh Choice compartment is whatever food that you put in here, you can set the temperature of the fridge just for this compartment individually. Let me show you how you do this. So I'm going to have grilled lamb shoulders later for dinner. So I've got the lamb in my Fresh Choice compartment. So by pressing the zone button, I can come here and set the temperature differently for my choice compartment. That's how advanced my Fresh Choice compartment is. My favorite feature of this fridge has to be the generous compartmentalized freezer. 6 compartments will ensure that you really know how to store your food correctly, not mix them up in one freezer. And see, I can have my lamb shanks here and my lamb cutlets and shoulder there, separated like a rich guy. And speaking of generous compartmentalized storage, you get 2 moisture fresh storage. So you can separate your vegetable from your fruits. And check out this feature. So both these moisture fresh compartments have this feature-rich own slider that allow you to adjust how much of moisture you want to have in each compartment from low to high like this. And there's another one here. Like all Hisense fridge of the same range, this comes with the multi-airflow technology, which means, unlike the fridge that I have at home, you can only put your cold drinks at the top and it'll get cold. Anything at the bottom, it will not get cold. And that's how the multi-airflow solves this problem, which means that you have anything to chill, you can put it anywhere in the fridge. From top to bottom, you get uniform cooling. So you don't need to compete with other drinks to be at the top. You can put it anywhere. I just love any appliances that use LED lights. They're energy saving and this one is particularly soft. When you look at it, it doesn't hurt your eye. Let me explain to you what the super cool feature is of this fridge. Let's say I put in my favorite drink and my favorite pastries and I want to chill this as quick as I can without making the whole freezer and fridge too cold. All I need to do is just choose super cool here and that will just bring down the temperature of the fridge itself without affecting the freezer. Whereas when I choose super freeze here, this will affect the temperature of only the freezer. So if I stick in my favorite lamb shank, it will be chilled very quickly without bringing down the temperature of my whole fridge.
Hey, can you get me a soda too?
That's a bad point. The door has to open and close kind of loud that your family members and including the family dog can hear too. Michelle, where are the ice creams?
They are in the freezer.
I'm looking at the freezer.
The freezer is down there.
The freezer compartments are down here, which means that if you want to access your favorite ice cream, you have to do a little bit of squatting and exercise. I don't see how that's a bad point. You get to exercise. So, in conclusion, based on the features, the price, and the luxurious feel of this fridge, I would say this product gets a 4-star out of 5. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel here as we bring more products for product review. Hit the bell button and subscribe. Whatever you put here, you can actually set the temperature. That's the sound you get when you leave the door open. Back to first. And speaking of compartmentalized storage, you get 2 Moisture Fresh. So both these Moisture Fresh compartments have this cute pula. Like all fridge in the Hisense range of, like all fridge of the same range. Sorry,